ਪਾਸੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਨਵਜੋਤ ਕੌਰ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਦੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ 500 ਕਰੋੜ ਦੀ ਟੈਚੀ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਹੈ ਸੀਐਮ ਬਣਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਤੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਸਾਬਕਾ ਸੀਐਮ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਤੋਂ ਹੀ ਕੈਪਟਨ ਅਮਰਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਰਹੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਦੀ ਹੁਣ ਨਵਜੋਤ ਕੌਰ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਦੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਜੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਸਟੇਟਮੈਂਟ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਗਈ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਖਾਰਜ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ, ਖੰਡਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਔਰ ਤਿੱਖੇ ਸ਼ਬਦੀ हमले भी किए ने। उन्होंने कहा कि सिद्धू जोड़ा सियासत के लिए अनफिट है। नवजोत कौर के 500 करोड़ वाले बयान के उत्ते उन्होंने विरोध तंज करते हुए कहा गया कि अजिहा बयान सारे सियासतदानों को बदनाम करता है। मैडम सिद्धू ने कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह के उत्ते निशाना साधिया और कहा कि तुसी सिद्धू वालियां फाइलां क्यों नहीं क्लीयर कीतियां अपने समय दे विच, पंजाब दी तरक्की वालियां फाइलां दे उत्ते दस्तखत क्यों नहीं सी कीते, तुहाडे वेले विकास वाले प्रोजेक्ट क्यों रुके हुए सी, पंजाब के नुकसान के लिए आखिरकार कौन जिम्मेवार है, माइनिंग पॉलिसी एक्साइज पॉलिसी वर्गे प्रोजेक्ट्स क्यों रुके हुए सी, फिल्म सिटी वाटर स्पोर्ट्स वर्गे प्रोजेक्ट्स क्यों रुके सीगे, इस नूं लैके उन्होंने सवाल किया। नवजोत सिद्धू ने कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह तो जवाब इन्हां नूं लैके मंगिया सी।
It won't work. Punjab is a different area. Look at it. Everywhere the BJP is pulling through. Why not in Punjab? पिछली इलेक्शन देख लो, इलेक्शन सारी देख लो, कितनी सीटें आई, कुछ भी नहीं, hardly anything.
तो क्या रीजन है?
Sorry?
What is the reason?
Reason is you don't consult people who have been in the field and who know what to say. देखिए, decisions are taken at the upper level. Even the Congress was taken at the upper level. लेकिन पूछते हमें थे जो, everyone was asked, every MLA was asked his views, MPs were asked their views, हम सबको देते थे। यहाँ तो I don't think anyone has asked.
Do you miss Congress for that reason?
Me miss? No, the system I think was different. I miss the system, the broader type of consultation that used to go on over there. I mean, I was, for instance, PCC president 3 times. Okay, लेकिन it doesn't mean that only what I said went. They would ask other MPs, they'd ask other MLAs, then they discuss it with me. Okay, this is what people are saying, and I'd say yes, they are correct, I'm wrong. You know, you were open to these things.
You mean to say there was more democracy? There's more democracy.
Democracy and the value of experience. I think that is what is, which I find is lacking here.
Are you missing Congress? You miss?
Well, I've been a long time. I've seen that I had to leave the Congress once before. If you remember in 1984 when Blue Star took place. So I spent 10 years out, but I felt that Akali Dal I couldn't function with. Because we are brought up on a nationalistic sort of a basis, my family and me and all. But Akali Dal, I always say, their thought process ends at the Ghaggar River, which is the dividing area between where the Punjab border ends. They don't go beyond that. Till now, of course, times have changed. When I was in the Akali Dal, a lot of people hadn't seen Delhi from the Akali Dal. So सोचें क्या हुआ? So I'm talking of 85, 86, that time of period. But so it is a very different system. Every party has its system of working, but their thought process stops at the Ghaggar. That's the end of their thought process. Congress is more flexible in taking views. BJP, I find, is a bit rigid in its approach.